Section 1.5, Solving Inequalities. So the other day I showed you some examples on how to solve an inequality, and hopefully you practiced some of those. Today I just have two more examples to show you, hopefully to clarify any issues or problems that you may have had. All right. As we discussed the other day, solving an inequality is similar to solving an equation. The only difference is, rather than the equal sign, you'll see the inequality, which is the greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. All right. Other than that, you're going to follow through the same steps. And the key, and probably the one most important thing when solving inequality, is if when you are solving for your variable, if you happen to divide or multiply by a negative number, you must reverse the inequality symbol. All right, so let's go through these two examples I have. First example, we have x divided by 4 minus 5 greater than or equal to negative 2. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to start with the negative 5. We want to move that to the other side. So we are going to go plus 5 plus 5. All right, so we have x divided by 4 greater than or equal to. Again, watch your signs. We have a negative 2 plus a 5, which would be positive 3. All right. On the left side, we have x divided by 4. So again, to undo division means we want to multiply. I would multiply by 4, multiply by 4. On this side of the inequality, 4 divided by 4 would just become 1, so that's gone. And we have x greater than or equal to, and then 3 times 4 is 12. All right. To show what our solution is on the number line, okay, so here's my number line here. We have 12, so again, I'm just going to put some key points on here. We're going to put 0 would be about there. Let's say 12 is over here. I'm going to label my 12. All right, since it says greater than or equal to, we can put a solid dot on 12. That means 12 is a possible answer because it's included. Greater than, the number's greater than 12, would be all these numbers going this way. Okay, so my one solution would be 12. We could have 13 or 14, 20, whatever, anything greater than or equal to 12. All right. Second example, we have a little distributive property here. And again, watch your signs when you distribute. So we are going to have to take a negative 2 times a x, negative 2x. We have to take a negative 2 times another negative 3. Negative times negative would be positive 6, greater than 16. Moving the 6 to the other side, we would have to subtract 6, subtract 6, negative 2x greater than 16 minus 6 would be 10. All right. Right now we have a negative 2 times an x, which means we will be dividing by 2. All right. Divide by 2, divide by 2, negative 2. And this is what I was talking about. If you divide both sides by a negative 2, we need to turn this symbol the other way. All right, so my answer is going to be x less than, this would be negative 5. All right, so going to my number line, again, I'm going to put some key points on here. There's 0, negative 5 would be over here. This one just says less than, does not include the 5. So since the 5 is not included, I must leave this kind of an open circle here. Less than, the number is less than 5. We're going to go this way here. So all of these numbers would be solutions to that problem. All right, there you go. A couple more examples for you. Good luck on your assignment.